Have you ever wondered how modern women balance tradition and progress in today's society? It's a question that resonates with many of us as we navigate the complexities of the 21st century. This video is a deep dive into the beautiful dance of maintaining traditional values while embracing the opportunities of the modern age. We'll explore the importance of the nuclear family and the key roles of both parents in raising children. We'll look at how traditional values can harmoniously coexist with female autonomy, enabling women to lead successful careers while maintaining a stable home. We'll delve into the significance of communication and cooperation in relationships, and how these dynamics can be enriched by recognizing each partner's unique strengths. We'll also discuss how men can support women in their pursuit of autonomy, and how setting priorities can help us strike a balance between work, family, and personal time. Finally, we'll touch on the power of community and education in fostering autonomy and success. So, join us as we navigate the intricate web of being a modern yet traditional woman. Let's begin by understanding the essence of the nuclear family. The nuclear family is the cornerstone of society, a unit where both parents play vital roles in raising children and maintaining a balanced family life. The mother's role, traditionally seen as the caregiver and homemaker, has significantly evolved over time. Today, she's not just a mother, but a multitasking marvel balancing work, home, and personal growth. This evolution doesn't undermine her role in the family, but enhances it. She's a nurturer, a provider, an influencer, shaping the future through her children. The father, traditionally the provider, now shares in the nurturing and caregiving. This sharing of responsibilities creates a balanced, supportive environment for children to grow and thrive. It's a dance of roles and responsibilities, choreographed to the tune of love, respect, and mutual support. Thus, the nuclear family, though traditional, adapts to the times, with women playing a key role. Now, can traditional values coexist with female autonomy? Absolutely. One might think that the two are mutually exclusive, but they're not. In fact, they can complement each other beautifully. In the modern world, many women balance successful careers with maintaining a stable home. It's like a well-choreographed dance requiring skill, precision, and a whole lot of practice. The key here is balance. Picture a scale. On one side is your career, on the other your home. It's about ensuring one side doesn't outweigh the other, leading to a lopsided life. It's not always easy. There are days when the scale might tip, but that's where compromise steps in. Compromise doesn't mean giving up on your dreams or aspirations. Instead, it's about making adjustments, tweaking your plans, and finding a middle ground. Let's imagine a scenario. You've got a big presentation at work, but your child has a school event on the same day. What do? Well, it's about finding a solution that respects both your professional commitment and your role as a parent. Maybe you can reschedule the presentation or ask your partner to attend the school event. Remember, being a traditional woman doesn't mean you're confined to the four walls of your home. It means embracing the values of love, care, and responsibility towards your family, while also pursuing your passion and career. It's about being the CEO of your home, and if you wish, the CEO of a company as well. The beauty of this balance is that it allows you to be multidimensional. You're not just a mother, a wife, or a career woman. You're all of that and more. You're a strong, independent woman who values tradition and cherishes autonomy. So let's break the stereotype that traditional values and female autonomy can't go hand in hand. They're not two ends of a spectrum, but rather two sides of the same coin. It's about integrating these two facets of your life, not isolating them. Therefore, it's not a matter of choosing between tradition and autonomy, but rather harmonizing the two. In any relationship, communication and cooperation form the backbone. These two elements often intertwine, creating a dance that can either enhance or disrupt harmony. You see, when we communicate effectively, we pave the way for cooperation. We express our needs, desires, and boundaries, and in turn understand those of our partners. But communication is not just about talking. It's about listening too. It's about seeing the other person's point of view, recognizing their strengths and abilities, and letting them shine. It's about creating a safe space where both parties can express themselves freely and honestly. Cooperation, on the other hand, is all about teamwork. It's about working together towards common goals, supporting each other, and sharing responsibilities. It's about understanding that every task, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture. Remember, a relationship thrives on mutual respect and understanding. It's a shared journey where communication and cooperation lead the way. That's it for this chapter. We hope you've gained valuable insights about the importance of communication, cooperation, and the role of men in supporting female autonomy. We believe in creating a society where everyone has the freedom to express themselves, and we hope you do too. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word and foster a community of understanding and respect. Stay tuned for more insights in the next chapter.